Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to install Lubuntu, which is one of the flavors of Ubuntu operating system. Okay, Linux family. So here I'm going to install the latest one, which is available now, and it was released on 23rd April 2020, and we can download it from internet and install and use it. So guys, it is very easy installation part. Okay, and what is new here in this flavor is it is a fast and lightweight Linux operating system first of all, and Lubuntu uses LXDE, LXQT, and a selection of light applications, and it focuses on speed and energy efficiency. Because of this, Lubuntu has very low hardware requirement, so it can be operated, it can be installed on very less capacity hardware. Also, it is not required very high configuration hardware. So this is the property about it, and you can say feature, and it is very simple installation. Let me show you here. So guys, I'm using VMware workstation, that is VMware workstation 15 Pro. Okay, and in my previous video I spoke about how to install and couple of features about Ubuntu. So today we are going to install Lubuntu. So I will create one virtual machine here, create new virtual machine, and let me see if my drive is connected where I have ISO images. So guys, you can go to internet and download ISO images and make bootable pen drive, or if you are installing on this kind of infra, so you can download it and use it, install it. So if you go to this website, so it is telling you download 32-bit or 64-bit. Okay, here from here easily you can download and use it. So I have already downloaded it and I will use that image only. So yes, I'm using Linux. So this is Lubuntu for me, and I need to give a location where I can keep this virtual file. So here, let me see, I will create one folder here and I will give Lubuntu. I gave, and it is selected a new folder only, this one. Okay, and I'm giving some 40 GB space, so 70 it is. I will be using default installation, guys. I'm not going to create any partition here, because partition and all I have already discussed in my one of previous video, how you can do partition here on Linux operating systems. So same thing I'm not repeating, and I have that image in my USB drive. This is the one we are going to use, desktop. And let me click one more time, and as of now I'm not doing any connectivity, so I'm not it is not required, but okay, and just finish it. And now power on this virtual machine. So we'll see here further installation. So guys, you are on first screen, it is asking you to select language. So English is selected here, so I'm going with that only. And here you have couple of things like you can select F1 for help, F2 for languages, F for mode, and F5 for accessibility, and other options F6. For example, I'm just going with F4. Okay, I'm just giving, so it is telling you like normal or use driver update disk or OEM install for manufacturers, like that. So what we have to do here, we have to start. So we can start Ubuntu or start this Lubuntu. Second option is start Lubuntu safe graphics. Okay, test memory and boot from first hard disk. So I'm going with this first one only and give enter here. And let's see what is coming next. So guys, again it is checking some disk and all file systems, so you can skip this if you want by pressing Ctrl+C button. So I did it and it should come. File check is skipped. It is almost okay. Check is skipped. It came. Okay. Now we'll see further here how to install it. Now it is checking hardware and all couple of things. It will do check. And we have to wait for further process. So guys, this is what we get when we install it. So this is not installed as of now. Okay, complete installation. You have to use this installation option here. Okay, and you install Kubuntu. It will show you what if you go to any place like my computer. So you won't be able to see much thing here. Okay, so this is something you can say temporary, and you have to use this option installer. So just run it. Now it is asking you for further what you have to do. So I'm using American English only. Okay, and give next here. Welcome to the Lubuntu installer, and click next here. So it is asking where you want to install it. So I am in Asia and this is India. I'm selecting here. So Kolkata it took. And now give next here. It is asking for which language you want. Okay, so for example, let me see here what and all is available. So I don't want Hindi. I want English, US English. Okay, and that is default. Or if you want, you can select from this side, but I'm leaving it default only. So click next here. And now once again it is asking like erase disk or manual partition. So I'm not doing manual partition. I am giving full disk. Okay, one partition, and here I will give name. So I'm giving LAdmin here. Okay, and this is virtual machine. This computer name. So 01 I gave. And it is asking to create one password. And now if you want to log in automatically, you can select this option, or log in automatically without asking for password. So I want password, so I'm not selecting this one, and click next. So now guys, it is giving you summary like location where you are installing it, which keyboard you are asking, password, partition it is telling you like erase and use complete disk. Okay, so how much space it will be consuming or using, partition table information it is telling, and it is using like new ext4 file system. So just give install, and yes, install now. So guys, installation is begun here, has been begun, and it should not take much time. It is already showing you 15% done, and you can see LXQT new look, filling up file systems, and these are the accessories, get stuff done, 15%. So guys, I will pause it meanwhile because it may take some time, and we'll continue once it is done. It is 16% now. So guys, as you can see here, now the installation is done and it is asking to restart now. So what will happen here if I minimize it, you will see this installer will not be there once we restart this. Okay, and let me restart this. Done, and it is restarting now. So we have to wait, and it will give us that login option, password and all, whatever we have configured, username and all. Okay, so we are just few moments away to see the complete installed Lubuntu operating system, and we'll see a couple of features. And also it is asking for password here now. Okay, and here just give password and enter. So now you will see complete installed Lubuntu operating system. Okay, this is what you got here, and it is asking for updates and notification. So we don't want to update anything. So guys, here once again you can see, like, if you click here, desktop 1, desktop 2, you can see multiple desktop, and this is a start button here. Lock screen, leave, you can do suspend, shut down, reboot, log out, leave, hibernate, and about you can learn more about LXQT preferences. You can see here LXQT settings for appearance, brightness, date and time, desktop notification, file associations. Couple of things you can configure from here, and additional drivers and advanced network configuration from here. Okay, and you can say it is just like you can say complete setting you will be getting from here. Okay, and system tools like discover, and this is F settings. If you click this, let's see. Okay, and we'll see if it is coming. And apart from this, HTOF, KDE partition manager, and this is like terminal. Okay, command prompt, and you can see like start disk creator. So guys, install it and explore each and everything. Okay, from here like K3B, this is disk warning tool. We have audio controller, we have here volume controller, VLC player, office. For office, once again we have office writer, mathematics, and this is drawing, calculation. We can see a couple of things here. Okay, I'm not opening much thing here. For internet, Firefox by default, and graphic, LX image, screen grab, and let's see this one. Okay, what is this? And this is something to view file and all. And this one, let's see, it is general IMAP offline SMTP. It is for mail configuration. Okay, email configuration, just like Outlook. And this is office writer, and let's see if we can configure something here. I will click to preferences and settings here. So let's see, date and time is not required for me. Desktop notification, let's see desktop. I click here. Okay, slideshow, advanced, home, trash, computer, so menu provided. I'm just selecting this option. Okay, and just close it, and I'm closing each and everything. This is Word basically here. Okay, and this is not required, so let me close this also. No IMAP and all, and this also I'm closing. So you can see this is computer, and just click this one. System tools, I showed you here. Accessories, couple of things here. You can create notes, and this is for archiving tool. Education, you can use mathematics, games, graphics, and system tools. And just right click, you can see here, if you want to create new folder, blank file, you can create, paste, select all, or invert selection. Sorting, you can sort by name, modification time, size, couple of things here. And desktop preferences, you can change from here. Icon, slide, advance, and some more things we will explore from here. Okay, and let's see brightness you can change from here, and appearance you can go to this option, and from here like widest style and icon theme, couple of things. And let's see some more item from here. And where is that? Preferences and setting, notification, monitor setting. Okay, and if you click here advanced setup resolution, you can change from here. So let me try this one. So it is coming. Yes, I want to keep this full screen came now. Okay, yes, and save. Yes, apply. And close it. So now it is giving you complete desktop here. So guys, this is what I thought to discuss with you, and I hope you enjoyed it and you have learned about it, how to install it. And guys, try it, install on your computer and explore some other things. So I will meet you in next video, and in next video we'll see about Fedora. Okay, Fedora 33 workstation and the rest of flavor of Kubuntu. We have some more flavor of this operating system. So I will be meeting you in next video. Till then, bye bye. And guys, before going, you know what you have to do. I would request please like, share, comment and subscribe YouTube channel. So I will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye.